In sidetrack mode, the HOVERAir X1 will maintain a relatively fixed angle and position centered around you during the shooting process. It will fly parallel to you in the same direction of movement as you. Unlock sidetrack mode by using dolly track 3 times. You can set up sidetrack in the following 2 ways. Before shooting, let's set up some parameters. Here, you can choose to switch between horizontal and vertical video and select the appropriate resolution. You can adjust the flight parameters to suit the surrounding environment, including flying distance, altitude, and duration of the shoot. Then the HOVERAir X1 will fly according to your chosen settings. Please point the camera at your face, press the button, then HOVERAir X1 will take off after 3 seconds. After takeoff, the camera will maintain parallel alignment with you based on its position when released. If the camera takes off from a diagonal or side position, it will maintain the angle and orientation from takeoff as long as your position and orientation remain unchanged. If you need to stop shooting, after the camera stabilizes, stand still for about 3 seconds until the camera indicator changes from red to green. The camera will approach you, and you can easily retrieve it. Sidetrack can capture sidetracking effects, but currently supports only straight walking. To ensure a side view effect, avoid turning or changing direction. It is recommended to move at a speed below 18 km per hour. When using sidetrack and encountering situations that require turning, pay special attention to the surrounding environment, especially obstacles on the camera's path that need to be avoided in advance. When not connected to the app, you can also select sidetrack by long pressing the mode button in HOVERAir X1's custom mode state.